Good morning. Market is gapping up, but we are under the VWAP at the moment. Kind of sold off pretty heavy in yesterday's afternoon session, and we haven't gapped up to yesterday's highs yet, but we're halfway there. PCE came out, PMI comes out 845, consumer sentiment, inflation expectations come out at 9. Probably going to be kind of a volatile day. Haven't taken any trades yet. Not planning on taking any trades until the market opens. And just looking for one and done. It's Friday before Labor Day weekend. Probably not going to be the volume like normal. Plus some news coming out today. And we are just kind of going sideways here. So we will wait. And let's see. Let me share my screen so you don't have to look at my beautiful face. That better? I think that's better. Let's see. Get everything set up here so I can trade when I see a trade. I'll be trading two accounts. I've got a 250 and a 150 with Apex, both PX. Got the 250 ready to request a payout on the first. 150, I'm $200 away from being able to pay out. May let it build up a little more, but who knows? You can request from the first to the fifth. If I have several good trading days next week, maybe I request in it, or maybe I just build it up some more. Maybe I get greedy and blow the account. It goes all the way. Let's hope not. Base hits. Wait for an opportunity. One and done. That's what I'm trying to accomplish here. Hey, I see Dan's here. Morning, Dan. It's a one-man show this morning. No fancy streaming frills this morning. It's bare bones live streaming. Just trying. I kind of like streaming my trades. Kind of helps me hold myself accountable and not do too stupid of a thing. If in the back of my head I think people are watching me, let's try to do what my rules tell me I should do instead of keep averaging and averaging and averaging, blowing an account. Okay, VWAP has done something very strange. So now we are over VWAP on the Qs. However, this is VWAP on the NQ, and we are under it. Kind of looks like we're trying to make this triangle here. Holding this trend, making higher lows. "25 minutes before the market opens." Again, we got a $3.40 gap up on the Qs right now. So if you shoot up out of the gate, I don't wouldn't be my first guess. I would think such a huge gap up, we head down. You trace people taking profit up here. I mean, we're up in the middle of nowhere right now. The futures opened down here. Yesterday at 5 p.m., the futures opened at 19,445. So far, we've hit a low of 19,394 and a high of 19,573. And we're up near highs right now. And we're holding up here. So I don't see. I mean, market can do anything at once. But my feeling is, I don't think we just go straight up and never come back. Market opens at 8:30. If we do go up a little bit, maybe we test these highs. Then I think we get a rotation, start selling off a little bit. So, I mean, it looks like we're going up there before the market opens. But if at 8:30 when the market opens, we just start doing this, start pumping up here. This is a downtrend line from this morning. I feel like I want to short it here. Just one contract. See how that plays out. If it goes against me, take a loss on just one contract. Doesn't hurt you. You can make it back and see what sets up after that. I do like that though. If we come up to short it up here somewhere. If we start throwing off out the gate, we'll just see how strong the selling is. If we get any bounces, come back up, maybe short those. Anyway, I'm thinking I'm, I'm bearish. Kind of gets me in trouble sometimes. Small trade today, one and done. It's Friday, low volume, holiday weekend. Don't get greedy. Don't get stuck in a trade. Just look for opportunity to get in and ride some momentum and get out. Be done. Easy peasy. Let's see. I mean, we are hovering between these Fibonacci levels. I mean, it's such a huge range too. 426 to 6. I mean, it's over 200-point range between just these two Fibonacci levels. Okay, let's see. I got my bracket order set up. Just, let's just wait till 8:30. See what it does. Then PMI 845. I'm hoping to either have a trade closed before that. I don't want to be stuck holding a trade in PMI because I don't know what it's going to do. Evidently, didn't like PCE at first, but it's trying to reclaim. It thought it was going to like it, made this whole setup, dumped it out, came back, dumped it again. Now we're trying to build back up. I don't know. Get that out of screen. Seems strong. Like we want to go test these highs. We will see. Daily chart. We didn't get up to Wednesdays. Let's see. Guess we did. Thursday did touch Wednesday's highs and then came back down. We went up there, sold off pretty hard yesterday afternoon. Now, are we going to test them again this morning and just keep going? Looks like it's pretty strong. We'll get a cup of coffee. What do we got? 17 and a half minutes till we open. Wall Street poised for a strong start as inflation data looms. Strategist says brace for volatile fall as soft landing not guaranteed outcome. Uh, hang on. Ten minutes. 10 minutes. T minus 9.5 minutes, actually. Stay patient. Wait for a setup. Don't let FOMO take over. Base hits add up. Man, I thought next week was supposed to be over. looking 93 today, 96 on Tuesday, Wednesday back in the 80s. Monday, Tuesday still gonna be kind of brutal though. In September, gonna be on the tail end of it. Red rain. That's what I'm thinking too. If we have a little bit of a push at the open, then we just come down. My plan. Although we've been pushing up there in this pre-market. I wanted to get up here and short up here at pre-market highs. But then do we go to daily highs? Yesterday's highs are still a little bit of ways. Yesterday's high 477 on the Qs, went 475. Yeah, about 478. Yeah, you're kind of in the middle of nowhere here. You see it going either way. 6 minutes. Been good today. Haven't taken any pre-market trades. Yeah, we had PCE at 7:30 this morning. PMI at 8:45. 9 o'clock. What do we have? Consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. I hope to be out of to trade, have a one and done trade before PMI comes out at 8:45. Hopefully, I find something to just. I just want a small trade. I don't care. $100. Free. Happy to get out on a Friday holiday weekend. I may not even take a trade. If I don't see something, it's better to not take a trade than take a losing trade, right, Bella? Cat treats don't buy themselves. Cat treats don't buy themselves. We need people to lose money in the market so we can make money so we can buy cat treats. Trying to put some music in the background, but I don't know how to do it through YouTube Studio. Probably gotta go through Streamlabs. Look at this. We are gonna test pre-market highs before the market even opens. Or are we gonna bounce off this trend? What do you think, Bella? You're on quite a little up, getting further and further away from VWAP. Close to the open. See what it does just before the open. It's looking pretty strong, fella. We're holding up. If we hold up, then I wanna wait for a pullback and go long. We'll see. Patience, patience, patience. Miss a trade, so be it. Always another trade, right, Bo? Don't see it, don't take it. Uh-oh. Looks like it's gonna respect the trend. 2.5 minutes. What do you think, Bella? Are we gonna 1.5 minutes? Looking pretty strong. You're holding up right before the open. It's not dumping out so far. Gonna shoot up out of the gate, then dump. We're almost. We want to test these pre-market highs. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Expecting the downtrend. Expecting that lower high. All right, here we go. Boom. We are open. What are we doing? We're gonna figure out which way do we want to go. Which way do we want to go? Which way shall we go? Which way shall we go? Breaking the trend. Like we're gonna test pre-market high. Oh, I wanted to short it up there, and it happened too quick. Gonna go test them again. I want to see us go through them. Oh, that would have been a nice trade. That was my one and done. Now, are we gonna keep selling off? Oh gosh, let's try to get something out of it. Come on, give me. I'm only asking for like 8, 9. He's not gonna give it to me, are you? Come on, baby. I'm getting out. I don't like it. Don't like it. Yeah, I'm glad I got out. Look, just wait, Bella. Just wait. We get one more little trade like that. Getting bought up. Looks like we're kind of going down. I don't want to short it here, though. I still don't know. Flash up or flash down. Going back to VWAP. Yeah, we're at VWAP on the queue. Short it here. I'm not sure. I'm asking for a lot. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm not taking it. I don't trust it. I'm done for the day. Uh, Trading scared as usual. At all. I mean, I wish I could sit here and trade small, maybe switch to mid to the micro and trade the news a little bit. I'm happy to have a little green day. Two accounts, 242 and 227 and 469. I'm happy with that. For two clicks of a button, I'm happy with that. These base hits add up. Do that every day for 5 days. I mean, you're 24, $2,500. That adds up. Do that for a month, you're 10 grand. Do that consistently, and you start pulling out 8 grand a month. Leave two in there to build up your uh, account. So you have decent drawdown. So you do take losing days. I have to learn how to take a losing day. I have to start controlling my losing. I get stubborn, don't want to take a loss, start averaging again before you know it, I'm down 3 or 4 grand. It's like a week's worth of pride risk, 2 weeks worth of pride risk gone in one trade. It hurts. I like trading small. One contract's all we traded today, Bella. We made two trades. What did we do? Two shorts. Made almost $500. I did it out before the news comes out. Call it a win. We'll watch and see what happens with PMI happens. We'll see what happens. Can we find a bottom here? Are we respecting this trend line? Looks like it. Get over VWAP. Kind of struggling. Struggling. I mean, just to put it in perspective, this little trade I took was like 4 points. That's $80 with one contract. You catch a 10 point move. That's $200 with one contract. And it moves so fast. This is 560, 540 basically. That's a 20 point candlestick. More than a 20 point candlestick. That's all it takes to make a living. If you're right and trade smart. Of course, if it goes against you, it hurts. We're respecting this trend so far, man. We're making a bottom, it appears. But we kept up so huge this morning. We're 3, gonna make a new low, still 340 over the previous close. Strong case for it to go down. Dylan, you've been sitting on my lap, and she's like, "I'm too low. We are in a downtrend." And it gets bought up just like that. Just like that. We moved 30 points. Just like that. How do you know? How are you supposed to know? How are you supposed to know? Does this tell you? Oh, yeah. Been live for 40 minutes. Look at it. We're going to highs. Gotta break the trend. I mean, that's one candlestick from 515 to 523. A 50-point candlestick. And then we're gonna come back down, make another 50-point stick down, just chop back and forth. All you gotta do, folks, buy the bottom, sell the tops. So simple. It's so simple. Buy down here, sell here. Or if you wanna sell here, buy it back here. So simple. I sold it here and bought it here. About 5 minutes, PMI comes out. 5 minutes to PMI. Oh, we've been gonna hold this right in VWAP. We're gonna hold it. I think not. We're gonna go down further. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna be a green day. I don't see us coming. Unless this news is so horrible. I don't see us coming down, going red. He's just dropping back and forth, going back just under VWAP on the Qs. Now we're over VWAP on the Qs. It's gonna make a run up. Yeah, looks like it's gonna make a little run up. Can we break this downtrend? Or we go break out of this range and go up. Yeah, looking pretty strong here, like it wants to. All you gotta do is buy a contract down here, sell it up here 30 points later, make $600. Easy peasy. Breaking this range, and then we come back into it. Can't hold it up. Broke 475 on the Qs. We hold that. Hold these 560s on the NQs. The news out in 2 minutes. I was gonna trade again. I just hate news coming out every 15 minutes. It just throws. You can't get a good read. But if we could get a little bit of a well back to VWAP, I would kind of want to go long. But I hate long it up here at the top. Just seems like we don't know which direction we're going right now. All right, 1 minute till PMI. Just hanging out at these high a day numbers. Wait and see what PMI says. I guess. Mm-mm. All right. PMI. Gonna make a new high. It's gonna we make a new high. It says I like it in this range here. I'm just gonna stay here. It says now we wait on consumer sentiment and inflation expectations at 9 o'clock. Then we'll decide which way to go. Hanging out near the highs. We're gonna make a new high day. There we go. Push through. New high a day. Looking kinda strong. Where we at? Up here, don't go to 19.6. I think we go to 19.6. It's just 20 more points up. We do that. We can do that in 10 seconds. Coming, giving it all away. Giving away the whole P&I move. Back to the range. Back in the downtrend range. Going through the VWAP. Right through the VWAP. I want to trade some. I want to trade some. Uh, I don't. It's Friday. I'm happy. Got a green day. I don't trade anymore. They're done. Let's see. Yeah, good week. 5 green days in a row. So we are happy. Be happy. Face no rush. I paid the lifetime fees on these accounts. I don't have a monthly charge. It's all profit as long as I keep these accounts. 3 months, they have a cap on payouts. After that, you can take out as much as you want. I mean, you can take everything out of the accounts and blow the accounts if you want. But, you know, unless you got $1,000,000 built up, why do that? Keep the accounts as long as they keep paying. That's my plan. Hold these 2 accounts I got and keep adding to them. I'm gonna take the payout. Hopefully, I get approved, get this payout. Then I'll get another 1 or 2 evaluations. Try to add to these funded accounts. I did cross the line to where I can take a payout on my second account, but that would start eating into my drawdown. 'Cause the $150,000 account's got a $5,000 drawdown. It's like a $5,000 account. Can't lose more than $5,000. I'm at 5,100, so I'd rather build up to 6 or 7, take out 1,000 and see how next week goes. Just gotta keep trading smart. I guess keep trading scared. It seems to be working for me. Scalping, just scalping it seems to work, fella. Everything works until it doesn't, right? Works until it doesn't. And we're just coming right back. One candlestick. Look, holy cow. 40, 40, 50 point. Where is this coming from? The words of Christopher Lloyd. Great Scott! What's going on here, Bella? Where did that come from? How are you supposed to see that coming? And then, how are you supposed to short it? Because look, are we going to come right back into the range? Uh, Or did the short just get stalled out? The shorts are like, we're not going down any lower. We're getting out of here. I don't know, Bella. That's a big move on out of nowhere. Big move out of nowhere. You're on the wrong side of a 50-point candle. It kind of hurts. Unless you're in the micros where you're trading one micro and it's $2 a point, then 50 points is only $100 against you. And you're like, big whoop, $200 a point. You're down 1,000. You're like, ugh, we're holding up here, Bella. Like another new high. Like there we go. Another new high. We're just gonna keep going up. How high can we go? Guess we want to go to. We still got a ways to go to get to yesterday's highs. Like that's where we're going, though, Bella. That's where we're going. Where was that? 478 dollars away. New highs. 476. I knew we were going to 19.6. Look, 19.6. I don't want to short it here. Let's see. If I had shorted 19.6, we get there's 10 points. 590. Can we get 20 points? We go back to 580. Give me 20 points. 580. Be 580. Come on. Hello, everybody. What a great trader I am, theoretically. You're not going to give it to me, are you? You're not going to give me 580. Here we go. 580. 580. Look at that. Could have just made a quick 20 points. 5 minutes till inflation and sentiment come out. And we are looking strong, hanging out over VWAP. And a huge move out of nowhere. And we're trying to give it back. Or is this just normal retraction? I don't know. They can make the numbers say whatever they want them to say. I don't trust. I don't trust anybody in power because sometimes they tend to lie and make things out to be not what they are. Bouncing off VWAP, up 3.5 minutes. inflation, consumer sentiment. I mean, and the last several consumer sentiment data has been good. It's like consumers think this is a great market. I don't get it. I'm always bearish, and the market just keeps going up. I mean, we are holding up, making higher lows, keep trending upwards. We'll get rid of this line. We are making a channel up. We're gonna break this trend. We tried to break it here. We'll fake out. We are just channeling up. All you gotta do is buy a contract and ride it as it keeps going up. Simple. So simple, folks. Anybody can do it. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See what the consumer and inflation data says. 2 minute warning. 2 minute warning. Let's see what we do. We are looking strong. Strong like bull. Big new highs. Go back to 19.6. And if I had short 19.6 and just had my bracket order and set it at a 30 point, I would have gotten it. 19.6 to 70. I could have made missed it. And then we go right back to 19.6. I'm scared to short it the second time. It was just start trading the micros. Yeah. Problem with micros is then you got for trading 5, those commissions add up, which 5 would be half of a mini contract, and it's $4 one way, so it's $8 round trip to buy and sell on the commissions. So I don't know if the commissions are the same on the micros or not. I'll have to see. On the minis, it's $4 each transaction per contract. New high. There we go. Busted through 600. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Consumer sentiment and inflation, new highs. Look at this. New highs. We are gonna go to yesterday's highs probably. Going up. Broke out of this channel. Does that make me wanna go long? Next it should. I mean, that's what it technically means, a breakout. It should go long. Let's say we got in here at 6:15. Could we get 20 points out of it? Are we gonna go to this Fibonacci level, 637, 6:15, that's 20 points. Can we do it? We're going long over this channel. Let's do it. Let's go. I bought it 6 theoretically. I'm not trading anymore, but I bought it 6:15. Can we get 6:30 out of it? 6:35 at least. Give me 20 points. Let's trade the breakout of this channel. Gonna make a new high. I mean, if we had bought at 615, we'd be 7 points green right now. I'll keep going. No, no, we're not. We're stalling out. We are stalling out. Let's see. Let's just sim trade it for fun. Let's buy a contract. Got in at 618. I'm trying to get to the Fibonacci level. Why can't I do this with the real account? Look at that. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. And I am out of coffee. Here I am, made with no coffee. Sometimes I don't even know. Are you gonna give me a winner? Making new highs? It's not sure. Might take it all away. I'm gonna send profit in. You can watch it. It's just one contract. On the sim account up here, we're up 100 bucks, up 85, up 50. Gonna give it all away. Now we're red. Can't hold it. Come on. Gotta make a new high. Gotta go up to that R1. Come on, we broke out of the channel. Nowhere to go but up. Nowhere to go but up. Nowhere to go but up. Stay strong like a bull. Break through. Maybe that's all we get. Maybe it just ain't got it. Couldn't even test yesterday's highs. How it looks like inflation and consumer sentiment numbers came out, and everybody's like, "Oh, it's not that bad. Buy some more market shares." It's like it's gonna stop me out for a loss. Yeah, you can't win them all. Anyway, let's do something. I got to go. Here we go. Stop me out. Here I am trying to think positive, and the market reacts positive, and then dumps out on you. They pull the rug out from underneath you. Look, they make it look like it's going strong, going up, breaking out of the channel, then they pull the rug. And a lot of the traders just fell on their face there. Feels for you. All right, thanks for watching. Be back Tuesday. Markets are closed Monday, Labor Day. Everybody have a great weekend. Like, subscribe, share. It's all fun and games here. Later, everybody. Industry.